Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a very simple border for blankets, for beanies, and for scarves. Before I get started with this project, I would like to show you some of the things that I made in the past. First of all, I made a scarf. And when I finished my scarf, I decided to make a border on the edge. As you can see, it's like a little ruffle going across from one end of the scarf to the other end, which I think it looks really cute. I also make borders for beanies. Some people like them just plain beanies, and I also like to add a little detail to go around the beanie, like a really cute little border. When I make baby blankets or when I make like comforters, I also add a border as well. In my other video, I made a placemat, and for the outer part, I added a border, and I think that gives a really nice touch to your projects. So before I get started, I would like to tell you there's a couple of things that you will need to make this project. First of all, you need yarn. You can use any color of yarn depending on what project you are going to make. And you will also need a pair of scissors and a crochet needle. Now for the crochet needle, you can use any size of your choice. But today I will be using the size 6. So today I won't be making a big border. It would just be a little sample to give you an idea on how to make it. And I guarantee that once you know how to make this border, you'll use it for any project that you will make. So the first thing that I will be doing is I will insert my needle into my slip knot, and then after I have my slip knot, then I will make 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So there I have my 15 chains. And when you make the chains, you don't have to make them too tight. Just make them normal where they're not so tight. And then after that, before I start making my border, I start making a half double crochet. So I will yarn over and I will go into the second chain from the hook, pull through that loop, yarn over, and then I will go through all my loops. For all the projects that I make, I always do a half double crochet first, and then I go ahead and I do the border, which I think it looks a lot nicer when there's a half double crochet and then the border comes after. So I will be making a half double crochet all across the first row, and then I will meet you back until I get to the end. Okay, I am back and I have completed the half double crochet from one end to the next. So now I am ready to proceed and make the border. So I will chain 2 to start off, and then I will turn my work, and then I will yarn over and go into the second chain from the hook, and I will be doing a double crochet. You can do a half double crochet on this border, or you can do a double crochet. It's all up to you. So after you did the first double crochet, then I will go into that same chain, and then I will do the same thing again. You will need a total of 4. So we already did 2, and now I will be doing 3, and then I do one more. So there it is, there's the ruffle. Once you have the 4 double crochets, then you go into the next chain and you will slip stitch and go through the loop. So there is one ruffle. Then yarn over, go into the next chain, and you will do a double crochet. A total of 4. That's 2, 3, and 4. Then you will just slip stitch into the next chain and pull through all the loops. There you have 2 ruffles already. Yarn over, go into the next chain. Then you will make a double crochet again. Then I will do 2 more double crochets. Then go into the next chain and I will do a slip stitch. You pull through all the loops and it should start looking just like this. Yarn over, go into the next chain. You will do a double crochet, go into that same chain again, and here I need 2 more. And then go into the next chain and do a slip stitch. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 ruffles. And you will just continue doing the same step over and over again. Then you slip stitch into the next chain and you pull through all the loops. So this is how it's supposed to be coming out, just like that. Then I'm almost to the end and I will make another double crochet with a total of 4. That's 2, 3, and I need 1 more. And then I would slip stitch to the next chain and pull through all the loops. And that's how it's supposed to be looking. Isn't that pretty? Okay, now when I come into the end of my row here, I would just slip stitch and pull it right through. And there it is. That's how the border is supposed to be looking. Okay, so it all depends on the projects that you'll be making. This would be a really simple border to make, and it just requires a couple of minutes to make. So anyways, well guys, if you enjoy this video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. I will be posting another video sometime this week. Basically it will be consisting of plastic canvas. I would have a design on the plastic canvas and I will use yarn, and then I would stitch it onto the picture, and it comes out really cute, but I'm not quite done with it yet, so I will be posting that sometime this week, I'm hoping, and I want to share with you what I made, and I'm pretty sure you'll like it too. So I hope to see you guys again very soon, and as always, I hope everyone is doing just fine, and I'll see you then. Bye.